Hi, welcome to English 110 Online. I'm Debbie Lee and I'll be your instructor for this semester. I'll have a video like this for you every week for you to review, and I'll tell you the most important things of the week and give you lots of information that will help you with your weekly assignments. So always remember to watch my video. Now, if you can see this video, you've already done the enrollment verification activity and uploaded your certificate for completing the online orientation. And so you only have to do that once, and then you should be able to access the Moodle page. So let's take a look at the Moodle page and see what it is that we're about to do this semester. Okay, so this is the Moodle page. This is what you see when you sign into our course. You can see my picture over there on the side. You can see my contact information over there. And you can see the picture of the textbook, even though you don't have a textbook that looks like that. You have the e-text. And then you'll see these blue tabs. Each one of those can be toggled open all or close all, or you can just open one at a time. The one that has the announcements and instructions for submitting assignments is right there. The one that has this first week's assignment, you'll see that they're listed by date. And so our first week will be today, August 15th through August the 20th. And you can open that, and then you can scroll down and you can see everything. This week, watch my video, which you're doing right now. Review the course syllabus and outline, which you should have already done before you did the enrollment verification activity. But if you haven't, let's take a look at that right now and see the important parts of that. So I'm going to open that document. It's going to take a minute for that to open up. And I'm going to take a look at that with you. And so the document is still opening up. There we go. Okay, so the English 110 syllabus. Of course, all of my contact information is up there at the top again. Right here, you'll see office hours, virtual office hour, Wednesday, 5 to 6. That is a time when I will be in a Google Hangout, and you can join me, and we can look at each other and talk to each other, sort of like a virtual classroom. You're not required to go during that time, and if there's any other time you'd like to meet with me virtually, just let me know, and you can still go to that Google Hangout. Let's see what happens when you click on it. When you click on it, you'll see the link to the Google Hangout. So we're going to click on that link, and then you'll see here is the Google Hangout. It will take a moment, and then you'll be able to click and go into the actual classroom. Right now it says you are the only one here. Are you ready to join the classroom? And pay no attention to 2016 on there, and just click join. And once you click join, you will be in the classroom with me, and you can see me, and I can see you. But right now I am the only one there, so I'm going to get out of the Google Classroom right now. But that's just a place, Wednesdays from 5 to 6, where we can meet virtually, and you can ask me questions. I can show you things, and hopefully that'll be helpful to you. As I said, it's not required, but it is something that I would definitely suggest. Okay. And unfortunately, I closed the um, document when I did that. So let's open the document back up again. And we'll take a look at the rest of the outline. So my contact information is there. Anytime you have a question, it's best to email me. My email is right here, dflee 115 at nashcc.edu. That is the quickest way to get in contact with me. I check my email often, and even though I may not get right back to you, particularly if it's on a weekend, I will check it once or twice a day, and so I will try to get back to you by using that email. So that's always a great way to contact me. Also, when you contact me through that email, if you will sign into your student email account, your Gmail account, then I will be able to I'll be able to see that it's you, and I won't see some strange email up there, which I often delete. So you use your student email when contacting me. Okay, so this is freshman composition. This is a course designed to develop informative and business writing skills. Emphasis is placed on logical organization of writing, including effective introductions and conclusions, precise use of grammar, and use of sources. When you finish this course, you should be able to produce clear, concise, well-organized short papers. This is not a university transfer course, so if you're planning to go to a 4-year university and transfer this course, it will not transfer. However, it is good for your degree here, and it is designated for only the following programs: cosmetology, automotive technology, electric line construction, industrial systems technology, welding, electrical systems technology, and electric and computer integrated machining. So you can see that as long as you're not going to a 4-year university, this course should be fine for your degree. All right, here are the student learning outcomes listed there. I'm not going to read all those to you. I'm sure you've already read them. The grading scale for this course is 10-point scale, so 90 to 100 is an A. Anything below a 60, 59 and below is failing. So I hope to see lots of A's and B's in the course, and I know you hope to also. For the details of the grade, 60% of your grade is going to come from a portfolio that you're going to do. There are 4 core assignments that will be due every few weeks. And so those will count 15% apiece for the 4, and that's 60% of your grade. 30% of your grade is going to come from weekly course activity grades, and those are listed on those toggles as I was showing you week by week, so you'll know what is due each week, and those will count 30% of your grade altogether. So as you can see by the math, it's most important to do your very best to get those 4 core assignments completed. But the class assignments, the course assignments that count 30% of your grade, that's 30% of your grade. And so that they are also important, although they do not weigh as heavily. Then you will have a final exam for the course, and that will count 10% of your grade. So each of the assignments that you're given will be worth 100 points maximum. The coursework grades again count 30%. The core assignments count 60%. The final exam counts 10%. And for all graded assignments except for quizzes, including Turnitin assignments, forum posts, Padlet posts, Facebook posts, anything that I ask you to do, that it will be based on how well you format, organize your content, your grammar, and your mechanics. So everything is based on these criteria right here. 20% for each one of those. Quizzes are graded automatically as you complete them, and you won't have a quiz every week, but when you do have a quiz, you'll get those grades done automatically. The attendance policy, Nash is an attendance taking institution, and we have to report even online attendance. I'll be recording attendance for this course every Wednesday, and every Wednesday, if you have completed one of the course assignments or the core assignment for the week, depending on what is due, you'll get counted present for the course. If you miss, if we have a couple of course assignments and you miss one of them, I'll still count you present. What does not count as attendance is you you emailing me or just signing into Moodle. They don't count for attendance, but as long as you complete one of the course assignments or the core assignment for that week, you'll be counted present. If you happen to miss 2 consecutive weeks of regularly scheduled class meetings or online weeks of activities, then in other words, if I have to mark you absent on 2 consecutive Wednesdays, then you will automatically get dropped from the course. So just remember that, keep that in mind. You can still get back into the course under special conditions, but it would be best if you don't let that happen. And that goes for all the courses, but the online course will be recorded on Wednesday of each week. Late work, get your assignments done when they are due. They're all due by 11:59 on Sunday of the week for which they are listed. And also on the course content outline on the next page, I have listed each assignment that is due, and you can see when they are due also. If for some reason you miss that 11:59 p.m. Deadline, or 23:59 in the language of international time, if you miss that deadline, you won't be able to turn something in, say for instance on a Turnitin link. But you still need to let me know if you have a problem. Sometimes it's something you can't help. Sometimes it's a situation where you just need to beg for mercy. But whatever it is, the procedure is always, if you miss the deadline, email the assignment to me from your student email to my email address. There's my email address again, and that will be our way of making sure that the work gets done and you don't get counted absent. There are 2 links here for Nash Community College policies and the Nash Community College resources. You can click on those and you'll see the link there which you can go to for both of those to read those. On the next page there is a course content outline, and it has what we're doing each week. On the Moodle page, I will always try to keep 2 weeks open at a time for you. I don't open the whole course because it can be overwhelming and you can miss some things if you are looking at the entire course. So I'll usually open 2 weeks at a time. Here's August 15th through 20th. This is a one day short this week because we start on a Tuesday instead of Monday. Chapter 1, Purpose, Audience, and Tone, is our content, and the resources are listed here. Chapter 1, page 1 to 22, the video lecture, which you're listening to now, the Google slide presentations, and then your assignments are in bold here with the bullets beside them. Join our Facebook group and do the Get Acquainted assignment and the quiz for Chapter 1. That's what you'll be doing for your 2 course assignments the first week of class. They will be graded. When is it due? August 20th before midnight. The next week will be in Appendix A, 10 strategies to improve your style. Those are there. There it's listed with the page numbers. Watch the video lecture and look at the Google slide presentation. And then you have 4 course assignments to do next week. And when is that due? August 27th before midnight. So the course outline is pretty straightforward, and you should be able to follow that and keep up exactly. And it's repetitive of what you'll see on the actual toggle here. So here we are in the first week, August 15th through 20, purpose, audience, and tone in Appendix A, improving your style. And here we are. Watch the video, review the course syllabus and outline, review the documents about how to submit assignments for the course. Join our Facebook course group. There is a Google slideshow presentation that will tell you how to do that if you're not already Facebook savvy. If you already are on Facebook, have an account, the only thing that you really need to do is invite me, and the instructions for where to find me and how to get invited to the group would be right there on the Google slide presentation. Then you're going to do the Get Acquainted with a Classmate assignment, and then you're going to read Chapter 1, view the Google slide presentation for Chapter 1, including there's some embedded short videos in there for you to watch, and then take the quiz on Chapter 1. So 2 graded assignments this first week. Get Acquainted assignment on the Facebook group page, and the quiz on Chapter 1. If you scroll down, you'll see every week I organize the Moodle toggle for our week with assignments and resources. Here's the learning objectives for Chapter 1. Here's the introduction to the workplace writing in Chapter 1 slideshow. And then here is your coursework assignment. Join our Facebook group and really get acquainted. Click on that, and it will give you a slideshow presentation to show how that works. Here are your instructions. Once you have joined our Facebook group, then you're going to partner up with someone for this activity. I have partnered you up, and then you will follow the instructions here and do that. That will be done in the Facebook group. The other assignment here is to take the quiz, and so you just click on that and take the quiz. But every week, the toggle for the week is divided this way, with your resources and with your graded assignments. I already have made available to you the next week, August 24th through 27th. I'll have a separate video going through all of that. So don't worry about that yet. Just get what you need to get done for this week. And if you have any questions or you need me for any reason, then contact me. This first video is a little bit long. Probably in the future they won't be quite this long, but I wanted to introduce you to the course and how it works, and tell you the best ways to get in touch with me, in addition to what to do for this week. So I'm accessible. I'm here. Find me. Here I am back again. And email is the very best way to get in touch with me. Wednesdays for the live virtual classroom, if you want to come and you want to meet with me then, is also available to you. It's not required. You don't have to do that. So I look forward to a great semester with you, and I'm really excited about English 110, and I'm excited about the students. So I hope we have a great semester together.